Hey, what's up you guys? So today is my first ever video on my channel, and I was thinking I was going to do a slime collection video. I currently have like 61 or 62 or 63 something slimes, something like that, and I know it's a lot, but they're not that great, so I'll come right back at you and start the real slime.